Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Today we have our 2014 Kia Rio. This car has low miles and factory warranty. It's a good riding car for this class. I can tell you it gets 27 miles to the gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This car is very clean, has all your power options. This one has brand new tires, and for a small car, this car's got a lot of room, plenty of trunk space. The rear seats do fold down in a 60-40 split, so you can haul larger items. And inside and out, this car is very clean. You can see a smaller car, but still has room. And it's a pretty comfortable car too. I don't know if you've driven one yet, but I can tell you they ride really well. This one has all your power options. You do have your height adjustable seat there. This one has an eco mode. That way you can make the most of your gas mileage. You got duplicate audio controls on your steering wheel. Then you have your premium audio with satellite. You also have auxiliary inputs and a USB input. This one is the automatic with the Tiptronic feature. And again, this car rides really good, has awesome mileage, is in great condition inside and out, has new tires and factory warranty. What more could you ask for? Folks, this is a ton of car for the money, and I don't expect it to be here too long. So get down here and see us. If you have any questions, you feel free to call us or text us at 540-433-7335. As always, we don't have any processing fees. So come down and see us. Thanks for stopping by.